All right. You have a website and you say it works. And it is www.cra-arc.gc slash eService eServices slash tax slash individual individuals slash my account slash menu dash e dot html. Okay, let's see what happens when we press enter. Let's just make sure we're not wasting time here. www.cra-arc.gc.ca. I forgot the .ca. Oh. Okay. .ca slash eServices slash tax slash individuals slash my account menu dash e dot html. We press enter and we get Government of Canada 404 error. The page cannot be found. Thank you.